So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you're making money from YouTube and wondering how to report your creator income, here's how to get started in TurboTax. Firstly, sign into TurboTax and open your tax return. Go to Federal and select Income and Expenses. And when TurboTax asks about your income, choose the option Self-Employment, Freelance or Business Income. Enter your YouTube revenue from your tax documents and payment records. If you received a 1099, use it to make sure the income amount is entered correctly. Next, enter your eligible business expenses related to creating your YouTube content, using accurate records and receipts. And TurboTax will use business income and eligible expenses to calculate your taxable business profit and applicable self-employment tax. Continue through the return and review your estimated federal and state taxes. If you owe taxes, TurboTax will provide available payment options when you reach the filing and payment section. It is as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks if you like the video. I will see you on the next one.